In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Adobe Express. Cropping is one of the fastest ways to improve a photo's composition, remove distractions, or reframe your subject for a cleaner, more focused look. Whether you're prepping an image for a social post, a presentation, or a quick thumbnail, this process is simple and beginner-friendly. Start by opening Adobe Express. From here, you have two easy paths. If you're building a design, you can open or start a new project and bring your photo onto the canvas. If you just want a quick crop without creating a full design, head to the home page and look for the Photo section. Choose the Crop Image Quick Action to jump straight into cropping without any extra setup. Next, upload your photo. Adobe Express works with common formats like JPEG, PNG, and WebP, so pick the file you want to refine. If you have a choice, use a version with good resolution so your final crop stays crisp after trimming. Once your image appears, you'll see a bounding box with handles around the corners and edges. Click and drag those handles to define the area you want to keep. Corners let you adjust two sides at once, while side handles fine-tune one edge at a time. As you move the crop box, keep an eye on your subject and the balance within the frame. A simple rule of thumb is to avoid cutting off key details and to leave a little breathing room around important elements so nothing feels cramped. You can also reposition the image underneath the crop box by dragging the photo itself. This is helpful if you want to center a face, straighten a horizon, or push your subject slightly off-center for a more dynamic look. If you make a change you don't love, don't worry. Just drag the handles again to readjust before you commit. Small moves can make a big difference in how polished the final image feels. When you're happy with the framing, apply the crop to finalize your selection. If you use the quick action, you're now ready to download your cropped photo. Choose your preferred format, confirm the save location on your device, and you're done. If you're working inside a larger design, your cropped image is ready to use in your layout, and you can continue editing or export the project when you're finished. That's all there is to it. With Adobe Express, cropping is quick, precise, and a great way to elevate any image in just a few clicks.